This is the Honor Play, the first smartphone in India to come with Huawei's GPU turbo technology out of the box. But before we go deeper into its specifications and features, let's see what comes in the box. Now, the box itself is very simple and straightforward. It has the Honor Play logo in front and center. Once you turn it around, there's no mention of the specs or features of the phone, which is what you usually see here. Let's open it up. So here's the phone itself. Let's take that out. It has a clean front display, and the back too has a clean look with a thick antenna line across the top and a vertical dual camera setup and fingerprint sensor below it. Now let's switch it on. And there's the notch. Let's keep it aside for now and see what else we get. Now there's another box under the phone, so let's see what it has. First, there's a clear TPU case and it's a soft cover. Let's see what else. There's a quick start guide but no Sim Eject Tool, though there does seem to be a slot for it. Now back to the main box, there's an 18-watt charging adapter and finally a USB Type-C cable. Now let's get down to the specs. The Honor Play sports a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with a 19.5:9 aspect ratio, and it's set to produce around 85% of the NTSC color gamut. But there is still a substantial notch at the top of the screen. There's also a large chin on the bottom with some Honor branding, but decently thin sides. Now, courtesy of the taller form factor, the Honor Play is easy to hold in one hand. The rear of the smartphone has a vertically aligned dual camera setup with AI camera branding. There's also a 16-megapixel primary sensor with an f2.2 aperture and a 2-megapixel secondary camera with an f2.4 aperture lens. Now, powering the Honor Play is the same Kirin 970 SoC that we've seen powering multiple Honor and Huawei's phones in recent times. Now, this phone comes with 4GB and 6GB of RAM depending on the variant you choose. Now, the Honor Play runs on EMUI 8.2, which runs on top of Android 8.1 Oreo. It has a 3750 mAh battery, but it does not support Huawei's supercharged 22.5-watt battery technology. Honor is highlighting its GPU turbo technology, which it claims gives 60% better performance and 30% improved battery life when playing games. We'll test that intensively in our full review. So this was our quick first look at the brand new Honor Play. Stay tuned for the full review coming up soon. And for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.